Dad, where are we going?
We're going on a cat rescue. There's a cat, injured cat, and he's underneath the house, and we gotta go try to get him out.
Oh, yeah. Dive in.
He answers to Marshmallow.
Oh, baby, we're gonna get you some help, honey. Okay? Alright. I'm trying to get this cat out of here. You're okay, baby. Yeah. You're alright, honey. You're okay. Cat's in the bag. I'm sorry, honey. I'll get you some help. You got it?
Yeah. Hi, Marsh.
Marshmallow.
Uh-huh.
Sit Marsh on the ground.
If you can get out.
Hi, Marshmallow. Hi, big boy. Gonna get you some help, handsome.
That's why we call rescues. Only David.
Only David can save today. Was he hard to get?
No.
He didn't even move.
No. He's in bad shape,
I
guys.
know.
Come on, guys. We got an appointment at Valley for this guy. He's in rough shape, so we need some prayers, guys. It's swollen right here. I don't know.
Okay. Oh, it does. It certainly does. Got a
You're
huge
okay.
abscess.
You're
Probably.
okay, honey.
That is a
He
gigantic
is so
abscess.
dehydrated.
Oh, poor thing. Let
Honey.
me see this. Okay. Yeah, that looks like he got that pulled off during a fight.
Yeah.
Okay. And he's got a little trauma to his lip here, probably from his own tooth. You have the video of him eating.
Yeah. Yeah, she sent it to us.
Oh,
yeah.
good.
Hi, Marshmallow. You sleepy boy. Take a nap? Yeah. Wow, that looks so much better, though. Poor guy.
It is. Yeah, that little string thing is in there. Just keep